Welcome this video. Front yard landscape idea with rock. Landscape with rock is an excellent way to add beauty structure and low maintenance appear to your front yard. Unlike glass or flower bed rock requested minimize upkeep mark theme centrability. Choose for home owner whether you want to a modernistic or natural aesthetic rock can be incorporating in various ways to elevate curb appear to your home. Here are some created idea to transforming your front yard with rock. Rock gardening. Rock gardening add textile and various interior to your landscape by incorporating different size rock resisting plants and glass. You can create a stream gardening that in various climates. Tip for create a rock gardening. Use a mix for of long river rock and blue to create deepen plant structure. Low man entrance patient to complement rock incorporating much to define large bed are growing weak. Rock bed is a static place and functionally landscape that minimize our natural stream. It help with depend and passion in area to water runoff. Choose smoke, river rock, wind define size to make natural water feature. Line the bed with style, smart pillow, and use long stem as edge. Add maximize plants. The edge too soft. The look and enhance appear. Rock part away and walk away. A rock part away. Add charm to your front yard while provide to your home. Whether you choose stop stone, fast stone, rock plants, enhance and design. Idea for rock walk away. Use long fake stone for a classic look. Convenient with stop for a naturalistic feel. Board the parsway rock, smart bamboo or flower to create a defined look. Real much for flower bed. Traditional wood much consider use smart decoration stone to your bed. Thank you for watching this video.